Adjectives, hobbies, describing things and emotions. In this chapter, we will learn about different kinds of adjectives. Each image is an object or a person or someone doing something. All these things written over here mean the same exact thing. So we are going to look at how to describe the same image in different ways with different words. So let's go for it. The first image is of a scroll. So writing on a scroll. Scribbling is when you are writing something. Penning your thoughts is when you are literally writing your thoughts. So you are penning your thoughts. Literally would be with a pen. In this picture, you can see a man playing golf. What could be also his hobby, so maybe he's pursuing a hobby. As he's playing golf, he is aiming a shot. The third picture is of a girl thinking. Another way of saying thinking is pondering over. The fourth image is of a girl painting a landscape. Since she's drawing a landscape, it's a scenic view, as it's beautiful. Since she's painting a landscape, she could be drawing a scenic view. Maybe she's also teaching how to paint, or she's learning how to paint. The first image here is of a person sleeping, or resting, or taking a nap. The second image is of a person swimming in a float. Maybe she's learning to swim. Or maybe she's just unwinding. After a long day, she's just relaxing. And she's splashing water. The third image is of the girl drinking water. The third image is of the girl drinking water. Since she's drinking water, she's hydrating herself. We are very thirsty, we drink water. So when we are thirsty and we drink water, in English we call it quenching your thirst. The fourth image looks like the girl has won a trophy. Maybe she participated in a competition. So she's a winner and a participant. And since she won, she's also a champion. The first image is of a boy going to school. He's attending class. Maybe he's in the 6th grade. The second image is of a man cooking. What seems like he's stirring something in the pot, which could be a gravy. Maybe he's a chef or a sous chef. A sous chef is second in command after the chef. The third image is of the boy playing football. Now, maybe he's playing in a position of the forward or the winger. Maybe he's also passionate about playing football, as he seems very content and happy playing it. The fourth image is of a boy drawing symbols, as you can see, a star here, a triangle here, a spiral here. Maybe he's sketching his ideas. He's thinking of something, of an idea or for a project, and he's sketching them onto a paper. So he's giving a medium to his thoughts. When we say giving a medium to his thoughts, we mean that we are giving an outlet. Some people draw, some people write, some people play music, which is a medium to their thoughts, to put their thoughts out. In the first image, the girl is watering the plant. She's gardening. She's spraying water. She's watering a can or a pot. All these things mean the same thing. The second image is of a boy laughing his guts out. When we say laughing his guts out, does not mean that his guts are going to come out. Way of saying in English that he's laughing so hard, hysterically, laughing like crazy. Laughing stock. Now, laughing stock means, for example, you and your friend go to a karaoke night. Your friend does not want to sing. She's not a good singer, or she's very shy. You force your friend to sing at the karaoke. But your friend says, "No, don't force me. I'm going to be a laughing stock." That means everyone is going to laugh at her. In the third image, the girl seems very tired, exhausted, exasperated, drained, or worn out, all meaning the same thing. In the fourth image, the person seems to be saying something on a loudspeaker. Maybe the person is big-voiced, or boisterous, or noisy, or roaring like a lion. In the first image, the girl seems to be an honest person, sincere and genuine. In the second image, the little girl seems to be playing or having fun, so she seems very energetic, lively, vibrant, and spirited. All these words meaning someone who's happy and fun and lively. The third image looks like a girl has had an idea. She's smart, brainy, clever, and bright. The fourth image is of a girl with a flower. She's very cheerful, who's making everyone around her cheered up. Happy-go-lucky, exuberant, jolly, bubbly. The girl in this image does not seem to be feeling well. She feels dizzy. As you can see, her eyes are shutting down, or her head is aching. She's feeling giddy, or wobbly, or shaky, or maybe she would faint because she feels low on energy, or something else. In the first image, the girl seems to be shouting or running. She's aggressive. Maybe she's threatening someone, or she's disrupting or interrupting something. So she's being disruptive, or attacking something or someone. While the girl over here is the opposite. She's calm, patient, peaceful, and serene. The girl in this picture seems to be wealthy, with all the money, rich, affluent, and prosperous. While in this picture, the boy seems to be very hungry. He's starving. He's famished. And he's ravenous. When someone is very hungry, we call them that they are famished.